So the Canon R6 Mark III is already rumored to come out late 2024. I think I'm definitely excited about this. I have been a Canon R6 Mark II owner for the past now 2 years or ever since it came out. So it definitely makes sense that it needs a refresh. And today I was able to look into Canon rumors and actually see some of the future specs in this new Canon R6 that my currently R6 Mark II that I'm currently recording, or currently that I have here. I would like definitely to see what upgrades there will be available. So with that being said, let's go over some of those features. So the first one, this camera will still have, according to the rumors, a 24 megapixel, but it's going to be a stack sensor, not a back illuminated sensor as far as I know. But mostly I cater to video. So one of the things that will potentially have, it would be, a huge upgrade, I guess, in my opinion, would be the 4K 120. Currently the R6 Mark II does not shoot in 4K 120. It just does 1080 at 120. So, but that's definitely something I definitely wanted to see on this camera as well. Also, it can potentially do, full HD in 240, which yeah, I think that will be great for other creatives that want to definitely take it very slow, do a slow motion. Next thing is going to be the CF Express and SD card is going to be on this one, which makes sense if you're doing 4K 120 or you're doing 240 and full HD. But for me, it's just like, okay, perfect. It's just something similar to what we're seeing on the R5 Mark I, right? Which I owned before. And yeah, that is going to be a great welcoming. I do have CF Express Type B cards, so I'm definitely ready for that. The other thing I would love to see on this camera is basically, will this have all-I, or will it just be IPB or lower IPB compressions that will be offered in the video mode? I don't know. Will it be oversample still 6K, or will it actually be 6K that will be offered on this camera? So there's a lot of things that I just need to play around with, and obviously we don't know in what modes will it overheat. Will that happen on the R6 Mark III? If it can come out this year, I think that's a huge win there for Canon itself. The R6 Mark III will definitely, if it's going to be catered also to not just photographers but also videographers, I would like to also see a C-Log 2 on this. Yeah, that would be interesting. That would be great, actually. So there's a lot of things that I'm not being mentioned quite yet. Again, these are just rumors, but I want to know your thoughts. What do you think when the R6 Mark III is rumored to come out later this year? Like, will you still keep your R6 Mark II, or will you want to upgrade to the R6 Mark III? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. For me, once it's released, definitely putting my pre-order in, and so I'll be ready when that is announced. Can't wait to test that out. But anything else, I will definitely keep you guys updated, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.